if we could stop for a second. I could talk to my friend Paul. So, Paul has this weird thing that he wants to do right now. So, what do you got going on?
Well, this is why I've been anxious all day. Just not to, but maybe
I was actually hoping it would go a little faster than this, Paul.
Maybe I don't know what the next journey of my life has to offer me, but I want you to take it with me. Will you marry me?